Back to the Backwoods Basics. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of repair work on this little beauty I got right here. It's just a body. I got everything for it. I just took it apart because what we're going to be doing today is filling in some holes here in the bridge area and here up here in the neck. It needs that because it needs a new bridge. So I'm just going to be filling that in so I can put a new one on. I'll probably be putting a Himax bridge on there, but I got all my tools here, my setup, paper towels, I got my wood glue, I got toothpicks, and then of course I got the Dr. Pepper. You gotta have it. Without further ado, let's get to it. Here, our setup. Of course we got the body, we've got our materials over here for mixing and whatnot. It's just sitting on top of my base cab here. So we'll just get right into it.
What caused a lifetime of regret, and the days slip slowly by. We can run, but we can't hide. And you asked me to forgive. You said let's just go on and live. It's my choice to make. Oh honey, you bend, but I don't break. Things were different, we were young, when our story had just begun. Who knew that growing old could ever be so cold? Together but alone. Together but alone. Now we sleep in different rooms. A love that blossomed but never bloomed. Where are we running from? Something we were scared to become. Things were different, we were young, and our story had just begun. Who knew that growing old could ever be so cold? Together but alone. But alone. Things were different, we were young, and our story had just begun. Could ever be so cold? Together but alone. Together but alone. Together but alone. Together but alone.
okay, that's gonna be it. Got everything done. Took 10 minutes, not terrible. I'll let it sit overnight, dry, and then we'll see where to go from there. But for today, that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.